Do you use Microsoft Mail? It says send from mail for Windows in every single mail. And if you notice carefully, the mail word written in that sentence is a direct link to download Microsoft Mail. But I get it. You probably use it because it is easy and you can share multiple files via your default email in just a single click. That's fine. Let's move on to Microsoft To Do. It has that satisfying ting sound every time you finish a task, and that is why most of us use it. And don't even get me started on Microsoft Store. You can download all the apps you want right from your browser. But it's just easy to go to Microsoft Store and search for Instagram instead of going to Chrome, then searching for it and downloading the right architecture which is suitable for your computer. A little fun fact for you guys. Do you know the world's best code editing app, Visual Studio, is created by Microsoft? It has integrated Git as well as integrated terminal. Also, speaking of Git, GitHub is also developed by Microsoft. And over 83% of computer OS users are using Windows, or rather, I should say Microsoft Windows. The theme seems to be pretty clear here. First of all, make the user experience as simple as possible. And the second point is make it as difficult for the user to switch to any other alternative as you can. For example, let's talk about Microsoft Edge. There are many multiple file types which are designated to open in Microsoft Edge. If you want to set it default to Chrome or Brave, you need to go to a particular section of settings and you need to change multiple settings just to see your default file types opening in a different browser. Since this is a video about Microsoft products, it would be incomplete without Microsoft Office. Dude, it's just so amazing. Even Canva or any other app cannot compete with PowerPoint or Excel. Google Sheets does not have that flow. Only die-hard Microsoft users know that Excel has such a good flow. With every Windows update and app update, Microsoft makes sure that at least one more thing can be done natively on their apps and the user does not have to switch to another website or download another app. However, not all the apps are great. For example, let's talk about Cortana. I am not the only one who considers it as a colossal failure. Hi,
Hi there.
how old are you?
That's a tricky one. I'm not sure how to carbon date the internet.
Increase the volume by 20%.
I'm sorry, but I can't help with that.
Switch users.
Sorry, I don't know the answer to this one.
Decrease the brightness by 10%.
I'm sorry, but I can't help with that.
What can you help with?
I can help you cook. Just ask me for a chicken korma recipe.
And don't even get me started on Microsoft bloatware. There's Paint, OneNote, Mixed Reality Portal, and just so much of bloatware in your computer you cannot even think of. However, not all the apps are this way. I really like Xbox for Windows and I really liked its feature that you can buy an Xbox Game Pass for less than $1 for a month and you can play multiple games on it for a month. I think that's really cool. And I also love the Xbox Game Bar. It helps me to record all the game footage that I want. Also, this video is not made to glorify or defame any Microsoft product. It's just my personal view and I wanted to share it with you. Also, talking about sharing my experience, I just found out that people still read Microsoft news and people are still reacting on Microsoft widgets. I cannot even remember that Microsoft added widgets. If you don't believe me, just press Windows plus W on your keyboard and you will see a lot of pictures with reactions on them. And people even comment on these news. I literally cannot even think of anything worse. I think that's too much of Microsoft in one video. And that will be a wrap up. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe the channel for more content like this. I will catch you in the next one.
Developers, 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 developers. Developers, 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 developers. Yes!